In a bid to avoid food wastage and assist those in need, Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation has set up a public refrigerator at Shilpa Ramam in Hyderabad. The GHMC at present set up 3 public refrigerators, each with a cost of Rs 1.5 lakh under Feed the Need initiative, and based on the response from public, are planning to scale up to 100 such units across the city. According to the officials, these fridges will be accessible to anyone who wishes to have a free meal during any time of the day. The GHMC has also teamed up with a voluntary organization, Apple Homes, for the project and sought to clarify that the idea of the refrigerator was not meant solely for the poor but for the needy. Anyone can pick up a water bottle or fruit or anything from the fridge. Apart from Shilpa Ramam, refrigerator units will be set up at Nilofer, Basavatarakam Hospital, ESIC Hospital, and Chandanagar Metro Station in the first phase. To increase participation, GHMC has asked residents to donate food from their homes and also reached out to nearby restaurants who have all agreed to stock the fridge with excess food. An ETV Bharat report.